Asante Kotoko tenene. Opadi kwanchere for that team nano players nano Karim Zito Kabote. Abdul Karim Zito ede squad a ekofe si Kwara nyankopon ya adoma akwasi ada no abetudwa. High entiase efie mesa kan ya na mse no mentena so. Ye meye bia na wo se mejai na me release squad no ma Kotoko chita for mo twa players ben players 20 ben na omo tena ye beji mu 11 and they are starting for Kotoko versus Kwara no. Manya ne ntie se Kwara for no ay touch down and no pay ya Kotoka. Omusu duru ya mo squad no. Me de bebre wan say no in 4-3 minutes near the bia wo se ye de babia no. Ye de aba enye kasa tenten na enye ntiatia mu. Enye Kotoko 1 has 1. Na emum no eye matured and understanding sports na ye de beba. Me pa chaw edin no eye Super 24 TV. Me am di dwumadi e ho chairman no. Obetimi afreme Nazir Hamza obetimi afreme the blog man yes na afi majo so ewo ho afi international Kotoko WhatsApp group I friend Kotoko reaction no so on join ya 0247107260 0247107260 na me de watu so real quick afi yenko straight into them squad Asante Kotoko de ko face Kwara United now squad we obia ye fit omo amegbo mu de ya clear obia se obia ye fit Kotoko ede Kamara Mohammed as the goalkeepers no Kamara Mohammed and Aziz Haruna Dari and Benjamin Chum omunyina is part of the squad now mama free say Donzo a striker or can squad no ho Albert Amoa e can squad no ho yes Donzo and Albert Amoa e can squad no ho afi mamenko defenders no so defenders no ubenya player ye freno Hamzata okaho center back okaho na Lord Amoa returning okaho Shaibu Abubakar are returning okaho Shaibu Abubakar are returning okaho no Samba Unel also a center back and also already oka squad no ho dada na afi Patrick Esiedu also eka squad no ho Patrick Esiedu eka squad no ho the vendors na no Henry Ansu is also part of the squad. Henry Ansu is also part of the squad. Zakaria Fuseni also part of the squad. Zakaria Fuseni is also part of the squad. So defenders no no afi yanko midfielders no ubena Lord Hilary Adabo is also part of the squad. Lord Hilary Adabo is also part of the squad. Emmanuel Entry a part of the squad. Emmanuel Entry a part of the squad. Seth Kwadwo is also part of the squad. Seth Kwadwo is also part of the squad. Tenedu. Yes. Samuel Tenedu is also part of the squad. That's the midfielders. Hubert Joe is also part of the squad. As part of the midfielders. And Walid Neema Fuseni is also part of the squad. Is also part of the squad. Ono midfielder. Afi yanko wingers no. So wingers no. Philip Amo. Philip boy in Bobo. Philip Amo is also part of the squad. Ubazenya player your friend Saka Dauda is also part of the squad. Saka Dauda is also part of the squad. Nafi wenya player your friend no Peter Amiduakwa wa returning. And also is also part of the squad. And our forwards no Donzo and Albert Amoa omono. Afi defenders no me refi ba ko manka and no Kahopa Joseph, the senior man Joseph Ablo, the best defender Joseph Ablo is also part of the squad. So this sum up Asante Kotoko team if AC Kwara Nankopon Yadoma Kwasiada or Accra Sports Stadium.